Wow, look at these speeds, 90 miles an hour plus. They've got them up to almost 100 miles an hour now. LAPD Metro Division officers in pursuit of this stolen vehicle. We believe it's either a Dodge Charger or Challenger, eastbound on the 60 freeway, approaching the 605. He was just in downtown just minutes ago. He's just hitting the gas really hard. Now this suspect driving recklessly on the 110 freeway northbound. I believe they lost it for a little while and then picked it back up. But again, this pursuit now eastbound, coming up into the South El Monte area. You can see this driver well ahead of the police cars. In fact, they're not even in our picture right now. There are two police helicopters overhead that are tracking the vehicle, and we're trying to catch up to it as we just joined in with the pursuit now on that eastbound 60. That driver just hauling, just hitting it hard with that gas pedal in the freeway here. Let's see, he's slowing down quite a bit. Let me come out to a wide shot. He's got a truck. He's going to use the shoulder. There he goes, right by the truck on the shoulder, and let's see if he continues on that shoulder or exits soon. Nope, he's going to continue on the freeway and passing cars once again, hitting the gas once he got by those trucks. Next freeway interchange is going to be the 57 freeway if he continues on the freeway. Eastbound 60 this is, coming through the city of Industry. And there we go, that's California Highway Patrol in the mix now. California Highway Patrol in the pursuit now. It looks like they've taken primary in this pursuit. And Jack, it sounds like they went to the blue. CHP blue. Talking to my assignment desk manager, Jack Noyes, we're talking about the California Highway Patrol that's just taken over this pursuit. And look at the speeds on this, over 100 miles an hour right now. And look at him take off. He's just pulling away from that officer there in the carpool lane. They see those lights and sirens behind this guy. They just have no idea that they're coming in, and now we're coming into this interchange. Whoa, he just missed that car. Coming into the 91 freeway here very shortly. Cars are going to be transitioning in and out of lanes here, and that's a very dangerous situation at these rates of speeds. It's very dangerous for those other vehicles that are unsuspecting, unknowing that there's a pursuit coming right behind them at a high rate of speed. California Highway Patrol is saying, you're mine. If you slow down, I'm going to pit you. And here he is going around. Let's see if he does it. He's going to do the pit right there. He's got him. He's got him. He's got him. No. He's dragging him along. Look at this pit maneuver. Awesome. What an awesome job by that CHP officer disabling the vehicle. That's it, right at the 91 freeway, just north. Guns drawn now. California Highway Patrol have him surrounded. A lot of cars trying to get out of the way. But what a pit maneuver that was by that CHP officer, just dragging the car, pushing the car almost sideways, and then finally spinning him out here just north of the 91 freeway. This pursuit is over. Pioneer at the 91 freeway. Driver coming out, looks like there's no passenger in the front seat. We can see that now with the infrared. And he's done. So far complying. Let's see if he follows all their orders. Here he comes. He's complying with the officers. They're going to handcuff him. This is, again, this is at on Pioneer, just north of the 91 freeway. Pioneer, just north of the 91 freeway. The pursuit has come to an end with an outstanding pit maneuver by the CHP. Those other officers are going to clear the vehicle, make sure no one's in the back seat. And this stolen vehicle suspect finally taken into custody after 7 freeways in 2 counties at speeds reaching as high as 115 miles an hour.